Are YouTube ads destroying your YouTube channel?
I hope not.
I talk about my YouTube RPMs on my main channel, and I posed a question to the community. Do YouTube ads destroy your enjoyment of that channel? Would you leave a video that has too many ads on it? I got some interesting feedback from my community, and we're going to talk about it today. And one of the points I had to talk about on this channel because it's very important. But first, let's pay some bills. This video is sponsored by BuyMeACoffee.com, the insanely easy to use platform that allows you to accept donations from your supportive fans, to set up a membership site, or to sell your products all in one easy to use website. If you'd like to support this channel, feel free to buy me a cup of coffee and potentially have your message read in one of my upcoming videos. Thanks again to Buy Me a Coffee for supporting this channel. Now back to the video. So I asked my community if YouTube ads destroy their enjoyment of the video, and would they shut off a video if it had too many ads. So you're trying to monetize your YouTube channel. The best way to do that is to have advertisements in it, and if you have at least an 8-minute video or longer, you can place as many ads as you want throughout that video. You could do one ad every single minute if you wanted to.
I would hate that.
Is that destroying your channel, trying to shove too many ads into it? This is what my community thinks of that subject. So here's a comment from Dennis Kaya 24. The ads lead me to YouTube Premium. The non-skippable ads in particular, which are now 3 ads back to back, are an absolute killer. I have had instances where I simply left a video altogether because it pissed me off so much.
I'm pissed off.
We used to, as the creators or as the YouTube channel owner, used to be able to determine whether or not you would allow non-skippable ads. So a skippable ad is you watch the first 3 seconds of it and you can skip it and get rid of it if it's not something you're interested in. But now there's ads like 30 seconds, sometimes a minute, that are non-skippable. You have to sit through them in order to watch the content. And this viewer is saying that sometimes there are now 3 of those non-skippable ads back to back, and that might be a huge problem, and it might be pushing people away from your YouTube videos. But we unfortunately no longer have control over that as YouTubers.
And I want to talk to whoever's in charge.
Now I'm going to read this next comment, but then we're going to come back to it in a minute, and this is a very important point that I'm going to add to this. So by Valentine Lewis said, I'm a full-time YouTuber of 4 years and I make about $100 from views a month, but my monetization is mostly off because I don't want to annoy my viewers with ads. I prefer to make less money, but to let my viewers a better experience of watching my content. So this person has a YouTube channel. They don't want to bog down their viewers with ads, so they turn them off, but more about that in 1 second because this is very important. But let's just look at a few of these. Also, yes, I would leave a video that has too many ads, and I have done so. I would absolutely leave a video if there was an ad every minute. That is absurd.
That's absurd.
So good point, but let's get back to the biggest crux of this that I think deserves to be talked about. So I mentioned that this person said that they turn off their ads in order to not bog down their viewers. But did you know this? And this viewer named Jolly James 30, and I've also seen articles on this very thing, so I think they are right. YouTube shows ads regardless of whether you turn them off or not. You're allowing YouTube to take all of your ad money. So here's the crux of it. If you are not partnered in the partner program yet, YouTube may still serve ads on your video and you just don't make any money from it. So they're still potentially ticking off your viewers. They're still potentially getting people to click off of that video because there's too many ads or there's too many non-skippable ads, and you're not making any money from it. Once you get into the partner program, they will start sharing that revenue with you. But even if you turn your ads off on your channel, that doesn't mean your viewers are not going to see ads. They may still be seeing ads on your videos. You're just not allowed to take any part of it.
That sucks.
In my opinion, that sucks. If there are going to be ads, and that is the culture of YouTube. It is a free platform, but it is ad supported. So if you are going to be creating content and YouTube is going to be placing ads on your content anyway, you might as well keep a piece of that profit, in my humble opinion. So what are your thoughts on this? Would you leave a YouTube channel or a video at least, even if it was really, really high quality and it was really good information, if there were too many ads? Do you think we should still be allowed to control whether or not those ads are skippable or not? And do you think that by turning off ads, you are going to help your viewers engage better with your content, or are you just leaving money on the table?
I'm not in it for the money.
So thank you, and I would love to know your opinion in the comments below. And as always, I appreciate you watching this channel, and I will see you in the next video.
I'm never coming back here.